Welcome to Physics and Engineering. My name is Mareka. I am a lecturer on both courses.
Hi, I'm Simon, one of the physics teachers at New College. We're fortunate at New College to have two extremely well-equipped labs, and we try and make physics come alive by having practicals most lessons.
In first year physics, you will cover 4 specific modules: mechanics, electricity, waves, and quantum physics.
Yes, so in the second year, we'll start building on the first year and also try learning some new stuff. So for example, we'll look at ideal gases. We'll also look at oscillations, circular motion. We'll look at electric fields, magnetic fields, gravitational fields, and also start looking at stars and cosmology. When you've studied the 2 years, you'll be able to start answering questions such as these.
If I was to make myself a gorgeous cup of coffee at the top of Mount Everest, at what temperature would the water boil?
What velocity do I need to throw this ball at to get it into the net?
How does the suspension on a bicycle smooth out your ride? And is it similar to the suspension on a motor vehicle?
Why does this string play a different note to this string?
On a hot summer's day, why would I add ice to my squash? And how does it make my drink cooler?
Why do the sparks go off in the direction they do? What is the angular velocity of the sparks? And what G would I pull if I was stuck to the end of this sparkler?
If I make a piece of toast, how fast does an electron move down the wires? And what is the magnetic and the electrical field that will surround this electron?
In order to study A-level physics at New College, you need to get a 6 in GCSE physics or a 6.6 in combined science. You also need to get a grade 6 in maths. If you come into college with a GCSE profile of 5s and 6s, then we recommend that you also study the engineering extra. This covers a lot of the topics that you also cover in physics and acts as a bit of a revision and support session. If you're wanting to do engineering, then we also recommend our extended certificate in engineering. If you're coming in though with 8s and 9s, we recommend instead of doing the engineering course, you do further maths instead.
In engineering, we cover a number of topics. We have 2 maths modules, 2 modules which cover mechanical engineering topics, and 2 modules which cover electrical engineering topics, and then potentially one on environmental engineering. At the end of your course or during your course, you would be able to answer the following questions.
What force is being exerted on these 2 hooks?
How efficient are solar panels, and how many of them do you need to supply electricity to a house?
How does this programmable device control the wash cycle?
Which load can this beam take, and where is the most likely place that it will break?
What is the mechanical advantage and the velocity ratio of this wheelbarrow, this fork and these gears?
When building the roof of a house, why are the trusses strengthened in a very specific pattern?
If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at simon.dixon@newcollege.ac.uk. We look forward to seeing you next year.